Begin configuring your feed from the content menu by selecting the Friendly News and Pictures tile. In the next window on the left, you'll see a preview where you can see live changes to your feed. In the left corner of the preview, click to toggle content views. To the right of the preview, set a custom name for the feed. Click the Customize this feed button at the bottom to make further customizations. Click the checkbox next to Content Views to include various content views in your feed. Content views available are Celebrity, News, Sports, Good News in Pictures, and News No Politics. Select an available theme. Themes are Minimalist, Block Party, or Classic. Choose a style from the preset style buttons, or click the Custom Style button to make further customizations to the style of the feed. Available style customizations are preset fonts, colors for text, text background, accent, intro text, and intro background. Optionally, you can hide news source logos, align text to the bottom, or enable or disable animation. Choose an intro style, an intro background, and an intro message. Click to browse or drag to add your own logo to the news feed. Set the story duration, default is 10 seconds, and select whether or not you would like the order of stories to be randomized. Set your delivery method. Available delivery methods are HTML, Media RSS, Direct URL, and JSON data. Click the Create Feed button to create your feed. This feed is included in the Everything plan. Learn more about subscriptions and the Everything plan at screenfeed.com/pricing or click on the video. Did you know that ScreenFeed is more than just ready-made feeds? We are your custom data integration and design partner in the digital signage space. Learn more about our full-service creative engineering at screenfeed.com.